Cancer. It's a word that carries a lot of weight. Did you know that globally, 1 in 6 deaths is due to cancer? It's staggering. But what exactly causes this disease? Why do some people develop cancer while others don't? Today, we're diving into this important topic to unpack the causes of cancer, ranging from genetics to lifestyle and environmental factors. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how this disease begins and, more importantly, what you can do to reduce your risk. If this topic resonates with you, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next health-focused content. Let's get started. What is cancer? At its core, cancer happens when normal cells in our body start growing uncontrollably. Our cells are like a well-organized orchestra, dividing and multiplying in harmony. But sometimes a wrong note is played, genetic instructions get scrambled. This causes a cell to keep multiplying when it shouldn't, forming what we know as a tumor. Not all tumors are cancerous, but when they are, they can spread and disrupt the body's natural processes. Genetic causes of cancer. Now, let's talk about the role of genetics. Every cell in your body has DNA, which is like the instruction manual for how the cell operates. Sometimes these instructions get a typo, or mutation, that can lead to cancer. These mutations can be inherited, meaning you're born with them, or acquired over time due to exposure to harmful substances, or even random errors as cells divide. Some people carry inherited mutations, like the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes, which increase the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. But don't panic. Only 5 to 10% of cancers are inherited. Most are acquired through a mix of environmental and lifestyle factors. Environmental and lifestyle factors. Speaking of the environment, it plays a huge role in cancer development. Let's start with carcinogens, substances that are known to cause cancer. Smoking is a major one. It's linked to lung, throat, and several other types of cancer. Then there's UV radiation from the sun, which can lead to skin cancer if you're not careful with sunscreen. Diet and lifestyle also matter. Diets high in processed foods or red meat, excessive alcohol, and lack of physical activity can increase your risk. And infections like HPV, human papillomavirus, or hepatitis B and C can also lead to certain cancers by altering your cell's DNA, the interaction between genetics and environment. But here's the interesting part. Cancer is rarely caused by just one thing. It's often an interaction between your genetics and your environment. For example, smoking increases your risk of lung cancer, but not everyone who smokes will develop it. That's because genetic factors can make some people more susceptible. There's also something called epigenetics, where lifestyle and environmental factors influence how your genes are expressed. So even if you have a genetic predisposition, making healthier choices can help reduce your risk. Common myths about cancer causes. Let's take a quick detour to address some common myths. No, using your mobile phone or standing near a microwave doesn't cause cancer. These claims often spread without scientific evidence. It's important to rely on credible information so you can focus on what truly matters. Prevention and early detection. The good news is that while not all cancers are preventable, you can take steps to lower your risk. Avoid smoking, eat more fruits and vegetables, limit alcohol, stay active, and protect your skin from the sun. Regular screenings are also vital. Catching cancer early can make a huge difference in treatment outcomes. It's also worth noting that prevention isn't just about avoiding risk factors. It's about living a balanced, healthy life and staying informed about your health. Closing thoughts. So, what causes cancer? It's a mix of factors. Genetic mutations, environmental exposures, and lifestyle choices all play a role. While we can't control everything, there's a lot we can do to reduce our risk and catch potential issues early. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand cancer a little better, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.